A quality cup of coffee comes from fresh beans. I'm always looking to make the perfect cup. While I enjoy the journey of making coffee, I also appreciate an easier and fuss-free way of doing so. The secret is in grinding your coffee beans just before brewing them. Coffee beans should rest for a week from when they're roasted and used within 3 weeks after that. The grind size matters too. The Philips 3200 LatteGo doesn't just smash up the coffee beans. The grinders are made of pure ceramic that are extremely durable and do the job right in grinding the coffee beans precisely and consistently, so your coffee will taste richer and fresher. It is equipped with a patented Aqua Clean water filter, which removes impurities that cause stillness and odor. I also do not need to descale the machine for up to 5,000 cups of coffee. With the Philips 3200 LatteGo, I can be sure that the water I'm using is clear and completely purified for that perfect cup of coffee. The Philips 3200 LatteGo comes with a milk system unlike any other. It steams your milk at the perfect temperature, so you'll get a silky milk froth. For the perfect cup of coffee, all you have to do is click. In fact, it instantly makes 5 types of coffee: espresso, americano, latte macchiato, black coffee, and my favorite, cappuccino. It doesn't get any easier than that to get the freshest, tastiest cafe-style coffee at home.